Welcome to 1 Minute Prop Building Tips, designed to help save you time, money, and improve your prop building skills. Today we're going to look at step drill bits, the tool I reach for whenever I need to drill a large hole or enlarge an existing one. This set costs less than 15 bucks and there's a link down below. It's great for enlarging holes in a variety of materials. Look how fast it cuts through that steel plate, and this is in real time. These bits also create a much cleaner finished hole than traditional drill bits. I do like to drill a pilot hole to help get it started, although for many materials that's not necessary. If you use lightweight plastic containers to house your electronics, these bits are especially useful. I again drill a small pilot hole before using the step bit to increase the size of the opening to what I need. Another nice clean hole without ripping up the surrounding area. If you want to see more content just like this, hit that subscribe button and the bell icon before you go. So until next time, keep on building.